Guitar tuning. Every one of us can tune the guitar. If yes, why I receive so many tracks that they simply some parts out of tune? I will show you how to simply avoid this. Vit, can you tune your guitar? Like usual. We have it, yes? Play me the riff. Now it's great. Play me another riff, maybe some kind of faster riff. You see, when he starts to play faster, he automatically play stronger. And in that case, we need to retune guitar to the attack. And this problem is even bigger when you tune the guitars even lower. Do you like what you see on this channel? Check the links below. You'll find information about my workshops, Q&A sessions, and other interesting events. So play me how strong you will play it. Yes. Now you see it's too high. Go down. Now you can hear and see that it's way more in the green zone. It never will be like perfect, always the green one. It's impossible. So don't be crazy about this, but try to keep to the green as much as you can. This is very, very important when we have like other instruments like keys. They are always in perfect tune. So combining those two instruments will be way more easier when you keep in mind that you need to tune guitar to your riff and to attack. Slow, long riffs, long notes, tune to the sustain, fast one, tune to the attack. Leave a comment how you tune your guitar and subscribe us. See you!